Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Michael. Today we're going to be doing a whole chicken. The whole thing, not just a breast or a leg. I know it sounds daunting, but it's pretty simple. A few ingredients, throw it in the oven, and the finished product is amazing. Okay, so come along with me, we're going to look at the ingredients. Okay guys, here's the ingredients for the whole chicken. We have butter, carrots, onions. You probably want to add celery, but I don't have any celery. I thought I did, but I don't. Blend of spices. Basically, it's just Cajun seasoning, granulated onion, granulated garlic, Italian seasoning, and paprika. And then I have some beef stock and cornstarch. And I know that sounds weird, but I will explain that to you here in a second. All right, guys, so I've got my whole chicken seasoned. Got it on the bed of carrots and onions. Please add celery. I forgot it. So the secret. So we got our beef stock. We got our cornstarch. What are you doing, Michael? That's a chicken. That's a beef. That's a chicken. Okay, shut up. The reason why I'm using beef stock is because it gives it a really rich flavor. And I don't know about you, but I like mashed potatoes with my chicken. Guess what goes good with mashed potatoes? A thick gravy. That's where the cornstarch comes in. So we're gonna add about 2 heaping teaspoons. I'm gonna stir it up. Now what this is gonna do as this cooks, it's gonna thicken it up. And it's gonna be a really rich, thick gravy at the end. So you're just gonna pour this all in. That should be enough. All right, so now we got our chicken, the beef broth, and the vegetables. So take your butter. I've melted a little bit of butter. We're gonna pour that on top. Basically, as that cooks, it's just gonna give it a nice golden hue to it. Rub it in. All right. I've got the oven set for 350. I've got a thermometer I'm going to put in here. If you don't have a thermometer, you need to go get one. You need to cook it to about 159, 160, maybe a little less, because it's going to cook as it comes out of the oven. And then we're just going to rest it for a while. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, that's my video. Whole chicken, delicious. The gravy's incredible. Put it on some mashed potatoes. Put it on your chicken. Put it on anything. Oh my god. It's so easy. You get the whole chicken. So just like and subscribe. I got tons more videos coming out. A lot of good recipes. Put some comments down below what you want me to cook. Maybe I can try it. Alright, that's it. Cooking with Michael. I'll see you later.